Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your booking on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details, and log into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, you can see you can book stays, car rental, taxi, etc. And at the bottom, there are options like search, saved, bookings, and profile. All you have to do is tap on bookings. Under bookings, you can see three options: active, past, and cancelled. All you have to do is select that active button, and guys, there you go. There you can find your bookings. And guys, that's it. That's how you check your booking on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.